Good day, everybody. This is Steve from OpenBOM, and I'd like to bring you a sneak peek of a couple of improvements to SolidWorks integration that will be coming out in the next week or so. The two things I'd like to point out are, first, that we've improved our handling for step files, and I've got the popular wireless router open. I went to GrabCAD, grabbed a step file of an electrical plug, drug it in and converted it to a part file. As you can see, it still has the step file buried down inside it. And I built a BOM, and the plug comes in properly as a step file. So we've improved the handling. On that. Second, the next thing I'd like to show you is some new property handling features. And to do that, I want to drill down a little bit here into the router base and open up the router base part. And we're just going to take a quick peek and see that it has just part number and description. Okay, very, very typical. Okay, so that all good. So we're going to come back over here to OpenBOM, and we're going to take a look at the catalog, which we all know kind of runs behind the bills of material. And we're going to edit this to this base description. We're going to call it base Steve. And we're going to add another property over here on the right. And I don't know, let's look for commodity type. I'm going to add commodity type, and I'm just going to call this molded. Okay, so our base now has a new description, which for a property that did exist, and a new property called commodity type with a value. Now, what's important here is that commodity type does not exist right now in my SolidWorks file. So again, we'll take a look here. You remember there's no property called commodity type. All right, so with that in mind, let's return over here to our top level wireless router and update our BOM from OpenBOM back into SolidWorks using the Update CAD Properties button. And what you'll find is there's a new option here called Create Properties in SolidWorks. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to bring in our OpenBOM bill of material, and we see that OpenBOM is telling us, hey, I'm going to create a property called commodity type and update description as well in all the SolidWorks files. So let's do that. Great. Okay, that's done. We're going to take a look again at our router base. And now let's go check out the properties in that. And we see that there is a property type now called commodity type molded in the custom properties. So more to come on that. I just wanted to give you a quick preview. We always love to hear from you at support@openbom.com.